So I'm gonna try some backwoods engineering here.
It works. Well, hey folks, welcome to my channel. I'm Handy Matt, and today I'm starting a new series called Cooking / Barbecuing with Matt. It's going to be mostly barbecuing, but today we're doing some pulled pork. So I'm going to get you over here, set up on the counter / bench, and we'll get started. All right, what we got here is about an 8.5 to 9 pound pork shoulder butt, and we're going to make some of the nicest pulled pork you've ever seen. All right, now there's a lot of choices for binder, but I choose mustard. I don't use oil anymore because a lot of it is got a bunch of junk in it. I don't use mayonnaise because that's kind of stupid, but mustard has a lot of good stuff in it, and it cooks off to where you don't even taste it. If you put a little bit more than what I'm putting on right now, you might taste a little bit of it, but it tastes good. But first of all, we're gonna slather this thing up. I should have done the other side first. That's okay. Just get it all covered really good. And I got my own proprietary blend of seasoning. It's Cajun style, I'll tell you that much. But we're gonna go on really heavy, and we're gonna pat it in really good. I might sneeze. There's a little bit of pepper in there. It's the white pepper that gets me every time. You can't go, it's almost impossible to go too heavy on seasoning a pork butt, and the brisket as well, honestly. So if you're gonna follow along with me, go ahead and be prepared to put it all on there. Just want to get it all worked in really good. Over the top. Don't be afraid to get a little heavy on the top, because as this fat renders down in the smoker, it's going to suck all that seasoning down through the meat as it soaks its way through and out the bottom. But get her thoroughly covered. Don't rub it, pat it in. Alright, that looks pretty good. Alright, I'll meet you guys in the backyard, and we'll throw in the smoker and get her set up. Alright, here's my Cook Shack. Fast Eddie's by Cook Shack. FEC 240 commercial restaurant grade smoker. And I got her loaded up with some Pit Boss competition blend. And inside of here, we're going to go ahead and put this here pork butt to sleep for a good number of hours. And I already smoked a rack of ribs earlier today. It's already a little bit warm in here. That fly needs to get out of there though. So we'll close her up. And get her started. So here's how we're going to go. It's about 8 p.m. right now. Let's let this thing get started. And I think program 3 is where I'm at. Nope. 4 maybe? No, that 4's not been set yet. Ah, yeah, there we go. Let's we're gonna go with 8. That's 4. Let's go with 12 hours of smoke time. This is the way I do it. A lot of people do it different, but this is the way I do it, and it comes out really good. 12 hours of smoke time at 180 degrees. Okay. Then we'll go to smoke time, cook time, and we're going to come back down all the way to just 4 hours. And we're going to increase our temp to 240. Hit OK, and we hit start. So there's the smoker, and it's off the races. We're going to have some nice pulled pork tomorrow. Now I get it. This does not have the romance of a pit smoker where you got to babysit it for 15 to 18 hours and throw firewood in it every 20 minutes. I get that. And I used to have one. I had to sell it. But this one works really good, and I can blend my wood really, really carefully if I want to with it. And it's also a set it and forget it, and it's all I have right now, so that's what I'm using. So I'll bring you guys back at 8 o'clock tomorrow morning when it's time to wrap it and bring the temperature up. All right, it's the next morning, about 12 hours later. Here's what we got. This is ready to get wrapped up, or in this case I'm putting it in a pan with a special braising liquid. Got my secret ingredient right here. Water and something else. Now we just gotta wrap it up nice and tight. Tight as possible. We don't want any moisture getting out of here. Back there. And we let her go for about 4 more hours. The time has come. "16 hours is over. Thing out. Take a look. All right, let's see what we got in here. All right, let's see if it's done. Yep, it's done. That bone pulled out perfectly. Get over here and take a look at this stuff. 16 hours. I'm doing it the way I do it. Gets you some pulled pork that just absolutely melts in your mouth. You can't get it any better. I'll challenge anybody. Look at that. It just pulls right apart. Get all those different muscle groups all tore down and mixed together, and you're gonna have yourself one nice pulled pork sandwich. And that's just beautiful. Fantastic. All right, folks, I got to get back to working on this tractor video I've been working on since day before yesterday. But I'm gonna get this pulled pork in the house so I can fatten the kids up. And yeah, it's just a short video today. Best way to support this channel: share it, drop a comment, hit a like, all that good stuff. And I'll see you shortly. Laters.